Namaskar, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can update your macOS 26 to the last beta so far, that is beta 6. So what you have to do in this case, we have to go to here, a system setting. If you don't see here, you click here Apple logo at the corner and go inside system setting. System setting, you have to go here, that is called software update. Click this one. In software update, you'd see checking for update, so it will load few minutes here your version of update. You see macOS Tahoe 26 beta 6. In case if it doesn't appear, check the eligibility of your Mac. Your Mac may not be eligible for this version if you have Mac older than 2019 and Mac Intel, it may not take that. All of the version with M1, M2, M3 Apple Silicon processor after 2020 or later is eligible. Some of the Pro version from 2019 is also eligible. Basically 2019 after 2020 they are eligible. So I'm not gonna read all of them. Check this one. Pause the video to read if your Mac is here or not. Then you can do something. You can see here Apple logo. Click this one. The first option you see here is about this Mac. Click this one. Check your Mac version. For example, I have Mac Mini 2024 with Apple M4 chipset. If it's not available, you can see here sometimes this option is off automatic. You have to put your passwords. For example, if automatic secure update, here you have to go inside download and you have to hit on for all this, activate all this thing on. Click for check for update, it should appear here. If you don't see that, then you can open any browser. I'm opening Safari or Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, whatever you like. Type Apple Developer. Go inside Apple Developer. So you can try any beta before the public release. For public beta of Mac 26 OS, you may not need this option, but if it's not appear in your computer, you can try for check. To go inside the account option, you have to connect with the same account of your Mac. Hit continue, sign in. So make a developer account with Apple. All the things they ask you, fulfill all that. After that, if you come to setting option of your Mac previously, let's go back to the setting option. And if you refresh the page, go back to other option, then come back again to general, software update, check for update. It would appear here. Also, you can download. For example, I hit here developer at the top and here you see downloads. Click this one. You can download the beta. You see iOS 26 beta 4, iPad beta 26.4, macOS beta 4. I click here, allow, and it's downloading here. You see Universal Mac 26 beta version is downloading. 18 gigabytes of software you can download. After that you can install. After downloading Mac OS, if you can't install or this page, if you see white, that means you can't have Mac OS 26 beta, public beta in your computer. Also you'll see here software update available. Click this one. It's the same thing one way to another. Then you'll have two options here, update tonight and restart now. So you have to hit restart now here. Let's do it. I have to put my password. I hit OK button. Installing update, you see installing update is loading, so we have to wait. couple of minutes. You can see here Apple logo is loading. Depend how many giga you'd have, it would take the time on that. So we have to wait a little bit more. After starting couple of time, it comes to this screen, software update complete. Your Mac has been updated to macOS Tahoe beta. So before it was direct, as I remember, so this time I see more designing option and intro instruction. I hit continue button. Now you can see welcome. So it wakes up to this skin, almost look the similar as before. If we go software update inside, and here we go to about to see macOS Tahoe version 26 beta, that is 25A5338B. So this updated to the last version of beta. So this is the way you can update your Mac to the last version of beta, that is beta 6. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.